Father God, I just want to say thank you for just an awesome day. Thank you for being an awesome God and just comforting me, comforting my family, comforting my friends, my church family. Lord, just being a great comforter for this entire world. God, it's my prayer that we continue to seek you and turn to you for everything. And Father God, I just pray that souls really cry out to you, seeking a change, to grow closer, to unite with you, Father God. Lord, I just want to just give you the glory in all things. In all things. To give you the glory. You're just an amazing God. You're amazing in all things. Your wondrous creations. You look out for me. Look out for my family. Look out for people I know and people I don't know. Thank you for just being awesome. I thank you just for your love, your grace, your mercy. Hallelujah. Lord, as I look back over my life and see how far you brought me, and praise you for where you are taking me. I just want to say thank you. Father, I thank you for the healing. I thank you for the favor. I thank you for being that bridge over troubled waters. I thank you for being that battle axe. I thank you for your covering of your arms. I thank you for your blood healing. I thank you for your blood. Oh, hallelujah. Father, I just love you so much.
Awesome ruler.
Just amazing. You're amazing. And you're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing in all things, Father. You're amazing in all things. You are amazing in all things. Father, bless your name today. Father, this is the day that you have made. We shall rejoice. Glad in it. Thank you, Lord, for health. Thank you for strength. Thank you for shelter. Thank you for clothing. Thank you for loved ones. Thank you for friends. Thank you for people Lord, I cross paths with. Father, you're just so amazing. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you.